Alan, this is Mike, and today's Hebrew video is on 12 adjectives for just about any situation. So, to start off, we should learn one of the most important questions in Hebrew, which is Ech haya. Ech haya. This is English's how was it, or what was it like, how was it? And you can ask at the end of a long day, or when someone comes back from an important business meeting, or a first date, or a movie, or they've gone out for a dinner at a restaurant. Ech haya, that's your question.
איך היה? איך היה היום?
And here are 12 ways to respond to it. Kashe. This is like a hard day, or very difficult experience, or very even challenging. Kashe. איך היה?
קשה.
מעניין. מעניין, like English is interesting, thought-provoking. איך היה?
מעניין.
משעמם. משעמם. As the picture shows, a very uninteresting, boring experience. איך היה?
משעמם.
חשוב. If you've had some sort of experience or day where something important or significant happened, then this is your word.
חשוב.
מרגש. מרגש. Okay, we've got the resh in this word, so go slowly with your pronunciation. מרגש. This is if something exciting happened. It's also if something emotionally positive happened, like you've been to a really beautiful and emotional wedding, or some sort of happy emotional experience. איך היה?
מרגש.
רגיל. רגיל. Standard, normal, or regular, just like you might be able to see in this word. רגיל. Nothing really interesting.
רגיל.
You've come back from a long day of work or a very tiring business trip. ארוך. ארוך. Challenging one to pronounce, so go really slow as you get that r and roch. איך היה?
ארוך.
A good word to know if you live in Israel, or probably in just about any country in the world. מעצבן, if something is really annoying or frustrating or irritating, then it was מעצבן. And make sure you do the face as well to really accentuate your frustration.
מעצבן.
Oppositely, רגוע. רגוע. This is Hebrew's relaxing, chilled, calm, peaceful. You've had a very enjoyable, relaxing day. איך היה?
רגוע.
עצוב. עצוב. Hebrew's word for sad.
עצוב.
מיוחד. מיוחד. If something was very special, very kind of, outstanding in a way, then it was מיוחד. Just like English is special.
מיוחד.
And finally, a very, very often used word in Hebrew, madhim. Madhim. Or as Israelis tend to say more and more these days, just madim. Madhim. Amazing, incredible, fantastic, wonderful, encompasses all of these words. איך היה?
מדהים.
Okay, so let's say them after me for practice. קשה. מעניין. משעמם. חשוב. מרגש. רגיל. ארוך. מעצבן. רגוע. עצוב. מיוחד. מדהים. I hope you enjoyed the video. תודה רבה לליה for all her native Israeli pronunciations. If you'd like to get a cheat sheet, which is a list of all of these words in PDF format with their sound files, then the link is below the video. Yalla, Yom Tov, להתראות.